Hi everybody, we're in Paris today at the BarCampBank, believe me or not, number 7 already in France. That's a huge milestone. I'm today with one good friend, so Jean-Christophe Capelli, the co-founder and CEO of FriendsClear.com, peer-to-peer lending in France. How is it going, Jean-Christophe?
I feel better, and FriendsClear is okay and better now, because we faced huge issues last year, you know.
Tough 2011, yeah.
Yes.
Explain. You're going to finish the quiet period, I think, soon?
Yes, we were in a quiet period from April to the end of last year, because the French banking regulation, Banque de France, asked us to be more cautious with KYC, know your customer. So we changed some rules within our core information system.
Okay.
And
so the
now,
back office, basically.
Yes, back office.
The front end hasn't changed at all.
It's changed front end. Okay. It's always the same peer-to-peer lending thing. On one side, you've got small and medium businesses, entrepreneurs en français, entrepreneurs who are looking for funding, who want to borrow money, small amounts, till 3,000 euros.
3,000 euros.
The duration is 3 years. 3 years loans. The term 3 years. And on the other side, you've got personal investors like you and me who want to lend their money to these entrepreneurs. So it's still peer-to-peer lending. Nothing has changed.
So crowdfunding.
Only the back office.
Yeah, so crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending. Yeah, you're still collaborating with Crédit Agricole.
Yes.
Yeah.
In order to be in total compliance with French banking regulation, we've got to be ruled as a bank. So we are a bank because we've got an agreement with Crédit Agricole.
One of the most innovative banks in France.
Yes, it's one of the most innovative banks.
And the largest bank, I mean, in effect as well, yeah. It's great, and they announced great things this week as well with open innovation, SDK, and API in banking, which is a revolution by itself, yeah. But talking about you again, FriendsClear, which was very innovative when you launched, and it's still very innovative now, yeah. You're going to relaunch on the 1st of February, am I correct? So next week?
We are gonna, there's going to be online 10 new entrepreneur projects, and we are waiting for more than 2,000 investors to open an account and lend their money. So
there's a waiting list or something like that?
People are waiting right now. So
2,000 like people are private investors?
Yes, it's a huge success.
Okay.
So it's
congratulations.
It's a kind of relaunch, I would say. It's the relaunch, yeah.
Okay. Right. And how many? Can you share any other stats or so far, or no, or just before the quiet period? Is it possible?
Not yet, but because during the quiet period nothing happened. We worked hard on the back office, and we expect to raise each month, I would say, 100,000 euros each month during 2012.
Okay. Now that you've been so active in that field for so long as well, and you know the worldwide space or industry, what's your vision of what's the prospects? You know, what's the opportunity for peer-to-peer lending nowadays? Is it even bigger than it was just 2-3 years ago? And what's the perception of people?
Yes,
like you and me, like the usual regular French people, for instance.
Peer-to-peer lending is bigger right now because you've got these actors in the UK, like Zopa or
Prosper
or Lending Club in the US, and they're getting bigger and bigger, and now they are break-even, and so it's a very good news. But peer-to-peer lending is getting larger thanks to crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is huge now. You've got Kickstarter in the United States. You've got companies like that everywhere in the world. Yeah. So, and there is a new shift with a new form of consumptive consummation. How do you say that?
Consumer collaboration.
Consumptive collaboration.
Exactly.
So you've got peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, and something bigger. Okay. So there's a lot of work to do.
It's good then, yeah? And for your company as well, yeah. But so people are aware of that because promoting it and selling the concept is still one key lever for you. You need to achieve that.
It's an issue because people don't wake up in the morning wanting to loan money one each other,
Exactly.
to lend money one each other. So, but it's gaining traction because the media are here, and it's quite easier right now to talk about peer-to-peer lending.
There's more visibility.
Yeah,
or-
yeah, a lot.
But still, Crédit Agricole partners with you,
Yeah.
but there's still not much activity really from banks in France, except for the Crédit Agricole and your platform. Yeah?
We saw last year new competitors in that area. There's another peer-to-peer lending platform in France. In France, the name is Prêt d'Union. They are in kind of different area. They do not have the same customers as we have.
But partnering with banks as well. Or?
But they have. They also have a bank license,
Okay.
like we have.
Okay, with a
France.
partnership as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Partnership with Crédit Mutuel, which is
okay.
another large French bank.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Last but not least,
Yes.
thank you. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Fascinating. The last thing is you talked about personal investors,
Yeah.
so lending and borrowing money to each other.
Right.
You talked about SMEs, so small and medium
Yeah.
enterprises, entrepreneurs, which is great, crowdfunding. What about charities?
Charities. Now it's easier to raise money through the internet. Even in France or whole country, it's easier, but it's not gaining traction. It's not gaining traction right now.
It's not, you think? Or?
No. But people, charities, people in the crowdfunding area, and we people in the peer-to-peer lending area, we have a think tank. I would say a lobby initiative in order to change some regulation here in France to make easier to gather money through the web to charities or peer-to-peer lending platforms or crowdfunding platforms.
You're actively involved in that?
Yes. And
is there a name?
The name is Digital Change for Finance.
Digital Change for Finance,
Yeah,
DCF. Or...
Yes.
Okay, that's French.
Yeah, that's a French initiative,
Okay.
and the launch is today. We launched this initiative today
Is it?
at BarCampBank.
Fantastic. See, exclusives there.
It's
Visible banking.
just for you. And there is a kind of claim. It's already written by all the stakeholders, so you will be able to link our claim or manifest in France.
Okay, yeah.
So
Manifesto, yeah.
yes, and
Perfect.
maybe you can Google translate it or something like that.
Okay.
For
it's going to be on the blog. Yeah, you'll have a link somewhere. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Yeah. Thank you, Jean-Christophe.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Best of wishes and for 2012 and the years to come. With the last thing, please sell FriendsClear. If you've got 20-30 seconds, what's your pitch then? I'm an investor. How do you sell and introduce FriendsClear just in a couple of sentences? Yeah,
FriendsClear is a new way to invest your money. You can earn interest each year by financing small and medium enterprises that you want to help with your money. So it's a new way to invest your money and be useful to the community.
Fantastic.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup, Jean-Christophe.